I'm Cinthia. Do you like some chickens? I like chickens. If someone is asking to you some question, these people ask, do you like chicken or pizza? What is your answer about this question? I can't answer that. I like chicken more than pizza. I say two reasons to explain about my opinion. First, chicken has a lot of flavors. Do you eat some another flavors in chickens? I eat some flavors. First, it is called sprinkled. This is little bit salty, but it's sweet and tastes good. Second, it is fried chicken. It is original chicken we know. Third is called 양념 chicken. This is some sauces of little bit spicy. This is made it in Korean. Sprinkles too. This is only I'm eating in my life. There has a lot of flavor. There has another things too. This chicken is so delicious. Korea loves chicken, so people call chicken to synonym. This means chicken god. This is very funny name, I think. However, I wonder you like chickens. If you like chickens, please subscribe this channel. Secondly, I like meat. Do you know how to make chicken? I know. It is made with animal called chicken. It is kind of meat. It used a lot of food. Korea used a lot of chickens. Anyway, I said I like meat because meat is so delicious and it has so many proteins. It has some parts, for example, like chicken leg and wings. This is part of the chickens, but you have to listen this. Chicken is made to fry chicken to cover flours. It is terrible to eat during diet. It has a lot of calories. This is warning about chicken, that's all. In conclusion, I like chicken more than pizza. First, chicken has a lot of flavors. Secondly, I like meat. Thank you for listening. If you like it, please subscribe CDI.